Hi, I'm Lauren with Keystone Technologies. When it comes to schools, offices, hospitals, and retail locations, adequate light levels are essential. And to ensure that these environments stay well lit and look great, check out XFIT wrap fixtures from Keystone. The XFIT wrap fixtures deliver up to 135 lumens per watt and come in two styles, standard and curved. The standard wrap with a prismatic lens provides a similar look to fluorescent fixtures. The curved wrap with a frosted lens provides a modern look. Both offer even illumination and the energy and maintenance savings of LED. Each fixture includes a dedicated Keystone driver that you can count on to deliver long life and durability. Keystone wraps are available in 3 color temperature options and feature 0 to 10 volt dimming, making them a flexible solution. For surface mount ceiling applications, installation is seamless, and because the mounting hardware is concealed, you can improve your aesthetic with minimum changes to the environment. Best of all, the DLC premium listing qualifies these wraps for rebates. To see the benefits for yourself, take advantage of Keystone's sample program and request a sample today. Sleek design, solid construction, energy savings. I'm Lauren with Keystone Technologies, and that's Light Made Easy.
Keystone Technologies. Light made easy.